Hey there tech enthusiasts! If you're like me and love your gadgets, you probably know how quickly they can accumulate dust and grime. That's why I'm excited to review the 10-in-1 multifunctional cleaning kit, link in the description below. It comes with many different cleaning tools such as a brush to clean your keyboard, a tool to clean your earphones and a keycap remover. This versatile cleaning kit is your ultimate solution to keep all your devices clean and dust-free. Whether it's your mechanical keyboard, camera, BT headset, or mobile phone, this kit has got you covered. One of the standout features I liked is the double-headed brush. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach areas that tend to collect dust and crumbs such as keys within a keyboard. Another great thing about this kit is its convenience and portability. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. You can keep your devices clean, even when you're on the go. I found from testing the product that it seemed relatively safe. The soft bristles and gentle cleaning solution ensure that it's safe for use on all types of electronics, including your precious phone and earbuds. However, I found that the key cap remover, which is made from plastic, can scratch the key caps of the keyboard if not careful. Overall, I found using this kit is a breeze. Just apply a bit of the cleaning solution to the brush, and then gently clean your devices. The result? A clean finish that'll have your gadgets looking as good as new. Thank you for listening to this review. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.